Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to do the IPO analysis of Shreeji Shipping Global Limited. In terms of agenda of the presentation, first of all, we'll discuss about the IPO details. Next, we'll discuss about the money, what they will raise and what they will do with that money. After that, we'll discuss about the company overview and their financial performance. And next, we will discuss about few of the positive and negative for the company. And based on this, we will see if we need to apply for the IPO or if we can apply for the long-term investment. Please note that the video is only for educational purpose and I am not a SEBI registered analyst. So please do reach out to your financial advisor before taking any decisions. First of all, discussing about the IPO details. The IPO was initiated on 19th of August and today is the last date to apply for the IPO. The listing date for the company would be 26th of August and the issue size is 410 crore. One good news is that the entire issue is fresh issue, which is definitely a positive sign. The price band is 240 to 252 rupees and the minimum number of shares is 58 and the minimum amount is 13,920. The amount that they will raise from the IPO, they will use that entire amount broadly into these three categories. The first is they will use around 251 crore for the acquisition of Supramax vessel. 23 crore they will use for the debt repayment, which is around 10% of their current debt. And the remaining funds they will be using for the general corporate purposes. In terms of the company overview, the company is into integrated shipping and logistics for dry bulk cargo. Basically, they move large amount of dry cargo like coal, cement, and fertilizers between ships at the sea. You can think of them as a bridge between big cargo ships and the shore, helping goods reach their destination faster. They handle around 14 million tons of cargo every year, like moving mountains but by water. In terms of their presence, they have presence in 20 Indian ports and one in Sri Lanka. They have a fleet size of 80 plus vessels and 370 plus earth movers. You can consider them as a machine. Basically, they use these machines for their day-to-day operations. In terms of their key client, Adani is one of their key client, and then we have Torrent Power and Tata Internationals. And in terms of the legacy, they have over 30 plus years of experience in cargo handling. Coming to the financial performance, there is one positive and one negative news over here. In terms of positive, if you see the PAT is in increasing trend. From 23 to 24, it has increased from 118 to 124 crore. And from 24 to 25, it has increased from 124 to 141 crore. So the PAT is in increasing trend. In terms of revenue, the revenue is in a declining trend. So it has decreased from 827 to 736 crore. And from 24 to 25, it has decreased from 736 to 610 crore. That is by approximately 17%. So PAT is in increasing trend and revenue is in declining trend. So in terms of the positive for the company or the IPO, as I said earlier, the entire issue is a fresh issue. So that is obviously a positive sign. And they have 2.5 plus decades of industry experience. That is also a positive. And in terms of the dominance, they have a dominance in the niche market that they operate into. Coming to the negative for the company, as I said earlier, declining revenue is obviously a sign of concern. And their top 10 customers contributes around 60% of the revenue. So there is a very high concentration for the revenue among top 10 customers. In terms of the final verdict for the IPO, the total listing gain we can expect around 13 to 14%. So considering this entire thing, we can apply for the IPO for approximately 10 to 15% listing gain. If you have to apply it for long-term investment, I would suggest to wait. You should wait for maybe a year or so and see like how the company is performing. and then you can apply for the long-term investment. But at this point of time, you can apply for listing gain, that is approximately 10 to 15% of the listing gain. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Thank you.